Hello kids, today we are going to learn English verbs with sentences. So let's start. Put on. Put on. I have to put on my dress. I have to put on my dress. Go on. Go on. It goes on raining. It goes on raining. Pin on. Pin on. She tried to pin it to me. She tried to pin it to me. Wake up. Wake up. I wake up early. I wake up early. Pick up. Pick up. Pick him up. Pick him up. Clean up. Clean up. Clean up your table. Clean up your table. Write down. Write down. Write down your goals. Write down your goals. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down for a minute. Calm down for a minute. Get up. Get up. Get up from the chair. Get up from the chair. Pack up. Pack up. She packed up and went home. She packed up and went home. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on for a while. Hold on for a while. Give up. Give up. I give up. I give up. Throw up. Throw up. I threw up. I threw up. Fill in. Fill in. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Argue with. Argue with. Don't argue with him. Don't argue with him. Let go. Let go. Let go the dog. Let go the dog. Get on. Get on. Please get on the bus. Please get on the bus. Get off. Get off. Please get off the bus. Please get off the bus. Take off. Take off. The plane will take off soon. The plane will take off soon. Work out. Work out. Workout is good for body. Workout is good for body. Grow up. Grow up. She grew up well. She grown up well. Run away. Run away. She tried to run away. She tried to run away. Eat out. Eat out. I love eating out. I love eating out. Look for. Look for. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Talk over. Talk over. Talk over the problems. Talk over the problems. Let down. Let down. Don't let down your parents. Don't let down your parents. Break in. Break in. The thief broke the doors. The thief broke the doors. Black out. Black out. He black out today. He black out today. Look after. Look after. Who looked after him? Who looked after him? Hold back. Hold back. There is no holding her back. There is no holding her back. Chop up. Chop up. She is chopping the fruits. She is chopping the fruits. Let out. Let out. Let out the secret. Let out the secret.